Hi Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And I'm here with the hashtag Let's Get Organized 2022 video 3. So, let's put this back in its place. Now, I'm going to use a little jar from Dollar Tree. This is a crafted square jar. I'm going to put some broken pieces of jewelry in here, like chain. You know, you can put chain in here. You can put the pieces that the chain that was on the chain, what they call it, not the roses. I don't want the roses in here. The jump rings and the chain you can put in here. Okay, now to do the bigger pieces, you can use another one of those little jars, or you can use a Ziploc bag. Basically anything. I mean, you can use this little box, jewelry box here, and put them in. Okay? And these are metal, so I can put it with my metal ephemeral and my little box drawer that I have over there. But this is a couple storage ideas for you. Sorry about that. This is the Ziploc bag you can use. You can label it here. You can use this tin container to do the same thing. You know, you can use a very amount different things to do that. So again, this is to help me get organized, and that's what I've been doing. Okay, so I want to thank you all for watching. Please remember, everything is made with love at every stitch. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please do subscribe by hitting that red subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. Please be blessed, be kind, be crafty, be safe. Happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and I will see you in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now.